So how about that local Burger King, right?
I know, right? It's so good.
I know, like that new McNugget rib?
Yeah, it's like delicious. It's the best
Yeah,
food I've ever
and
eaten.
the Impossible Whopper.
Wait, what is that guy doing?
Ah!
I'm gonna kill these people. They're not wearing a seatbelt.
Ah! My body was never to be found, and that's why you should all wear seatbelts.
Teens, whether they're drivers or passengers, have the lowest rate to wear seatbelts in the car while driving.
Making them the most liable to die in a car crash.
The trunk of a car is not safe to ride in because it does not have seatbelts, making it one of the most dangerous parts of the car to sit in. According to Newton's law, when the car crashes, there is no unbalanced forces acting upon the person, so they continue forward. Newton's first law. The person moves against the seatbelt, exerting a force on it. The seatbelt then exerts a force back on the person. Newton's third law.
What are your thoughts about teenagers not wearing car restraints?
My thoughts? Well, I think that it's very dangerous and that they could fly out of the window or even worse, like die on impact.
So what are your thoughts about the fine of $500 for not wearing a seatbelt while you're driving?
My thoughts, I really think that is a reasonable fine because it puts yourself in danger when you're not wearing a seatbelt while driving, and it puts others around you in danger. For sure.
Hey, look, there's a car.
Hi, can I help you?
Hey, could I have a ride?
Yeah, you just gotta wear your seatbelt for safety.
Okay, cool.
Alright.
I like seatbelts.
Did you know 53% of deaths are caused by not wearing a seatbelt in a car crash?
I did not know that.
Yeah, 4,000 people would be alive today just by wearing a seatbelt.
Ah, that's very interesting. I should probably start wearing seatbelts.
Yeah.
I actually took them out of my car and made them a cool belt.
That's pretty cool too, but car safety.
Also, seatbelts prevent drivers and passengers to being ejected through the front window, and you could lose your head doing that. Did you know that?
No, I didn't.
Well, now you do.
Cool.
Yeah.
Thanks for listening in on our commercial about seatbelt safety.
Yeah. The trunk of a car is one of the most dangerous places.
No, it's not. Let's stop, Aaron. Restart.